Hello and welcome to this tutorial of the color grooming. Today we are going to talk about how to add an A2Z filter to your list page. Let's get started. From the configuration of your component, we are going to continue using our component one for the purposes of this training. So you go back to your component one, you go to your configuration. All you have to do is to decide what field you are going to use for your A2Z. We call it A2Z field. So because we are capturing names and surnames, you can decide between the two. You can decide on the name or decide on the surname. Say for example, you're deciding on the surname. Deciding on the surname, you're just going to add this to your configuration and specify the field as a string. You can go back to the browser, click on the list. As you can see, the filter there, so you can filter by that. For purposes of understanding and seeing this in action, let's add another record. We're going to call it demonstration. Let's not right now. So important. So now, as you can see, we now have demo. It shows you how many items are there and it shows you on the T, which is the test 5. So if you click on this, you can see it filtering. You click on that, filtering. Maybe to create more understanding, we can have this as training. Sorry, maybe let's do ABC test. Can still call it ABC test from here. So it just have a couple of them to be able to see this in action. As you can see, if you A, it brings out only those ones that are matching the T. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope you've learned something. Or catch up soon. Take care.